Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. The Samsung Galaxy S21 range was unveiled in early 2021 and there's more to come. It seems certain that Samsung will follow the initial triple model up with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition in the coming months. What makes us so certain is that Samsung itself has accidentally mentioned the phone by name. It didn't show up at the Samsung Unpacked October 2021 event and we are still waiting. So far we have heard the Galaxy S21 FE would be a cheaper, lower-end alternative to S21, like as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is to the Samsung Galaxy S20. However, the reduction in cost and specs are both likely to be minimal and priced accordingly. There is also the possibility of this phone being cancelled due to global chipset shortage, but there have been no official confirmation from Samsung yet. The S20 FE launched in August, so it's clear that the S21 FE is way overdue at this point, but we are hopeful of its coming. Predictions of a launch in October haven't been accurate, but we have seen predicted launch dates come and go before. Recently claims that the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is coming in January, potentially even taking the release window of the Samsung Galaxy S22. A listing for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE on a Chinese certification database has revealed that the phone likely has a 6.4-inch 1080 by 2340 Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The phone apparently also has an IP68 rating, meaning it's dust and water resistant. As for the design, many render leaks have now shown us the possible appearance of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. A certification listing for the Samsung Galaxy S21 mentioned a 12MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide and an 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. We have also previously heard that it will reportedly have a 32MP front-facing camera as well. This phone will also come with the Snapdragon 888 chipset, 6GB of RAM and Android 11. Well, that's about all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.